Pizza and Sumi, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, I ask one question, you run and ring the bell, okay? Then you answer it. Now, number one, what do you see? Go, 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 come on. Yes, Sumi, what do you see? What do you see? Very good. I see an apple tree. Good. Alright, so Pizza, what do you see? Pizza, what do you see? Good, okay. Understand and can answer very well. Next time, next one. Hey, number two. What colors are the apples? Go, 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 run and tell. Ring the bell. Whoa, well done. Alright, Sumi. What colors are the apples? What colors? Oh my god. They are green and red. Very well. Come here. Have a teacher. 3 smiles. Very well. Now, Pizza, come here. Pizza, what colors are the apples? Green and? They are green and red. Yes, well done. Very well. Thank you. You got 2 smiles.